Vanishing cream.
Baby.
What is vanishing?
They're vanishing.
Disappearing. Look, where is Chip's hands?
No.
Where is Beef's hands?
No.
No, their hands are disappearing.
點解佢塞隻手入去嘅
You want to know? Okay,
Yes.
so let's read the book.
Yes.
The children were at school. They went to school. They are having some artwork at school. They are doing a theater. Beef is painting the box in yellow, while Chip is cutting a wizard. The children put on a play. The play was about a wizard. A wizard is a male witch. If it is a girl, we say it is a witch. If it is a boy, we say he is a wizard. His name is called Wizard Block. Wizard Block makes some mistake. Wizard Block make a spell, but the spell went wrong.
黃隻咩啊？
It's not correct.
佢係紅。
He put a child into a frog. Oh dear, oh dear, oh no. The little boy became a frog. Everyone laughed. Everyone liked the play. Beef liked the play. Keeper liked the play. And Mrs. May liked the play. So we can say everyone liked the play. Mrs. May especially liked Wizard Block. Mrs. May thinks that Wizard Block looked very, very cute. The school has finished. Okay, they are off from school. Beef and Chip go back home, and Beef get into her room. She is holding a magic key. The key starts to glow. Bing, 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 bing. The key is shining. Beef called, Chip, Chip, come, take a look. The key is glowing. Chip ran into Beef's bedroom. Chip looked at the magic key. Oh, it's shining. What's happening? The magic key took them inside the little house. They become smaller, smaller, and smaller. They get into the little house. Into the little house, they see Wizard Block. Hi, Wizard Block. Wizard Block waved a hand and point at Beef and Chip. Hey, come here. I need some help. What kind of help does he need? Look at the signboard. Wanted. I want to have a boy or a girl to help. I have a job. What job is it about? Mixing spells, cleaning up, apply within. Maybe I can do that. So Wizard Block asked them to come in. I want one helper, but two will be fine. They open the gates and get into Wizard Block's house. Look at the house. What's a mess?
Man.
So many dishes on the sink. A lot of clothes to be washed. Wizard Block said, you can do the wash up first, then you can tidy up the house. Beef and Chip look at the mess. Wow, it must be a tough job. Look, we have a lot to clean now. But Wizard Block said, don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Do your work, or I will turn you into frogs. What is frogs?
即係青蛙。
Yes, they don't want to be frogs, so they start to do the cleanup. Beef and Chip did the washing up. They start with the dishes first. They put the detergent into the water and clean the dishes.
點解佢要洗嘅？
Because they don't want to be a frog.
解
Chip is complaining. I don't like this. I don't want to do the washing up. But I don't want to be a frog, so I have to do it. Do you want to be a frog?
No.
No. After they finish the dishes, they start tidying up and iron the clothes. Beef is complaining. I don't like ironing, but I don't want to be frog. While they are collecting the bottles from the cubby, how many bottles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot of bottles. So do you think Beef can hold all the 6 bottles?
No.
No, she can't. It's too much for her. So Beef dropped 1 bottle. It was a vanishing cream.
Has
The vanishing cream dropped on the floor and wet the floor. Beef asked Chip, "Hey, come and help. Can you get me some towel?" They used the towel to dry up the floor. They touched the vanishing cream by accident.
用嗰啲地拖抹，嗰個地拖都會 vanishing 㗎。
Yes, it will. Chip looked at his hands. What happened? Oh no!
Oh no!
Bites of us are vanishing. I can't see my hand. Chip used his hands to rub his face, his eyes, touch his face, his mouth, his ears. And his face became vanishing too. Oh no, said Beef. Beef is pointing at Chip. Your face is vanishing. I can't see your face. I can't see your hands. How about Beef? I can't see Beef's hands too.
點解
Beef's hands are vanishing too.
點解佢唔會 hide 面好似佢咁樣嘅？
Later on, she touched her face and Beef's face are vanishing too. Can you see Beef and Chip's head?
No.
No, I can't see their heads and hands.
點
Now,
解佢係用爬嘅？
a man come to the house. He is a thief.
即係咩啊？
係賊人嚟㗎。
你諗佢咧，佢偷唔偷得佢 with the dog 嘅嘢啊？
I think he can. He get in the
我
house from the
估
window.
我估佢唔會嘅。
A man come to the house. He is a bad guy. He is a thief. He get in the house not from the door but from the window. The man didn't see Beef and Chip because Beef has no head and Chip has no head. They have no hands. He just see a clothes and the trousers. The man didn't see Beef and Chip. He took all the Wizard's Block's computer disk. He took all the CD-ROMs from Wizard's Block's computer.
Oh!
Beef and Chip look at him. He tried to catch him. He's a thief. So they catch him and he got him with the scarf. He tied him up with the trousers. The man said, "Help, help! I am being attacked by the washing. I'm being attacked by the clothes, the blouse, the sweater, and the trousers." They tied up the thief and Mrs. Block come back. "Hey, Mrs. Block, just now a thief got in your house and take all your CD-ROMs. We have arrested him and we put him down under the cubby." Beef told Mrs. Block about the vanishing cream. "Just now, we want to clean up the vanishing cream, but our hands and head become disappearing." Chip gave the Wizard Block the computer disk. "This is all your CD-ROM. I give it back to you." Wizard Block was pleased. "Thank you so much. Thank you for getting my computer disk back."
點解攻擊佢壞人嘅？
佢係衰人嚟，佢偷嘢啊嘛，要捉住佢啦。Wizard Block wants to thank Beef and Chip, so he gave him some tea and cake. "Enjoy your afternoon tea."
點解啊？
Because they catch the thief, they catch the bad guy, they catch him.
搞到嗰個 thief 咧，佢出咗去啦。
捉咗佢啦，捉咗佢俾警察咯。While Beef and Chip are having afternoon tea, the magic key start to glow again. Ding, 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 ding. Chip said, "Hey Beef, it's about time to go back home now, since the magic key start glowing." They say thank you to Wizard Block. Wizard Block say, "Do come again.
點解
Please
啊？
come again later when you have time." Before they left, Wizard Block gave Beef a bottle of vanishing cream. This is a magic cream keep that with you. You may use it later. So when they go back home, Beef almost dropped the bottle. Chip said, "Don't drop it. Hold it tight because it is
Vanishing.
vanishing cream."